Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to speed up a video on CapCut. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. With CapCut, you may easily change the video's pace to suit your taste. First, you just have to choose a new project or existing project to start with. To reach the speed icon at the bottom, tap the video. To access the video speed bar, click the speed symbol. To change the video's playback speed, use the speed bar. The range of speed options is between zero point 0.1 up to 100 times. So let's just say I want to speed up this part here. So all I have to do is to tap and then click split. Okay. And then tap the video again. And all you have to do is to click speed, click normal, and then here you have options, right? You can speed up to 4 times, 5 times, or up to 100 times, okay? And then if you want this part here not to be affected with the speed effect, then you can just simply split this, okay? So let's just say this part, I want to speed it up. So all I have to do is to click. Okay, split both sides, tap this area of the video, go to speed again, and then adjust this to 100 times if you want. So you can do this to your videos here, every part of your video if you want. So that's how easy it is to speed up your video using CapCut. All you have to do is to click the video, click speed, click normal, and there you can speed up to 100 times if you want. Now, once you're okay with the result, all you have to do is to tap this arrow facing up to export your video. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.